Uh,
Company's name is
company name
Snickers.
is Snicker Director.
Okay, Snickers Direct. Okay, so they are open from Monday to
Anh của bé.
Saturday. Okay, it's Monday to Saturday. Okay,
That
so what do you think the
sale
promise?
time. That and that's and sale time from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Correct, yes, correct. And what do they promise? What do they promise? They promise for?
Promise promise for that that store footwear is the best quality at the best price.
Hmm. Okay, they promise for the best quality
Right,
at the best price.
and that's and customer can return the item the item free of charge if they are not complete satisfied.
Mm-hmm. If they are not completely satisfied, they can
That
return the items. Wow, that's very nice. Imagine if you don't like what you buy, you can return it. Oh, that's good. Okay, I don't know if there is like that in the Philippines and not in your country. Okay.
anh mua xong tí mẹ sẽ lấy mua một suất bún chả mang lên sang được không? Anh
Okay.
lùi xe đây này, anh đi lên xong anh lùi xe vào cái đầu này. Làm sao? Cẩn thận, bên này con lại va đập vào, cẩn thận.
Yeah.
Today's online special.
Okay, so
Today
you're ready,
online.
Akay, now?
That's today online special. Today
Okay.
online. That's our selling sneaker world sales price and click here for detail. It mean if I want if you want to know the price of on the item, please click
Mm.
here for detail.
Okay, you have to click here for the details. Okay, click for the details. Okay.
Sao lúc nào cũng không cẩn thận thế này nhỉ? Hiểu chưa? Làm tổn thương con rồi đấy. Quan sát. And selected style by one guest. One of
Okay, so
the
what do you
only
think is this? Miss Huyan, what do you think is this item number?
number
Yeah, what do you think is this item number?
80 number.
Yeah. This one, the code.
Click here for detail.
Okay, this one, the
At
code. What is this code? The code here, here. Item number code 9780577755. What do you think is that?
let me check.
Yeah, yeah. Please check, look at. Item number, the code. What do you think is that?
Item number is mean is verifies the what kind what kind of the shoe and
What?
every that what kind of the shoe and each item will have verifies the item number for check for check.
Okay. So it is. Okay. So before you read the passage, so it
Có
is here.
ăn
So
bún
Snickers
chả
Direct online or
ăn gì
in our store. So you can buy Snickers Direct via online or you can also buy Snickers Direct via store. So it is up to you if you were going to buy it online or
anh sang mới nó
store.
có ừ.
Okay. So please, number one, please read number one.
Number one. Before
Yes.
you read the passage, talk about this question, right?
Yes.
Do you prefer to shops online or in person? Why?
Okay, do you prepare to shop online or in person in the store, physical store? in the physical store?
Actually, I prefer to shop online for big with big stores because
Okay.
I think there are many kind of items and different price suitable for our income. To choose the best to suitable for me.
Mhm. Okay.
Mình chụp cái hàng chữ kia được anh em canh cái
Okay, okay. So you choose online.
hai cái
Okay.
rồi
But Miss Huyen, how can you assure the quality of the product?
mình canh cái
How
đánh
can
đa
you assure the quality of the product if you buy online?
ít ít đánh đa thôi how
Wait.
cái lẫn how can you show the quality of the products if you buy online? Uh,
Yes.
uh, actually, I don't make sure to the quality of own item if I buy online. So I need to look for um uh,
Miss Huyen, excuse me for a while.
okay, I need to look thương hiệu là gì.
Okay, okay.
That's I need to look for a famous brand or a good brand that all people know them. Okay,
Okay, like you will gonna find famous online shop. Is that what you mean? You will gonna find famous online shop.
that's
Okay,
I,
so you will
I
gonna find some famous online shop. Is that what you mean?
that's famous brands. You need
Okay.
to look for famous brands that all people know that and reviewers reviewers and that's the stores had a racist very good comments.
Okay, so good comments. Okay, so
That's comments.
okay, shop who has a lot of good review. Good review.
That's good review and receive
Yes.
good reviews for quality or price.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
That's I think it is a good thing. Uh, you can be on that you can be on to select
Mm.
suitable item for you.
Okay, choose or select suitable. It's suitable. Suitable.
Suitable.
Yes. Okay, number two, please read. Correct. Your answer is correct. Number two, please read number two.
Number two, what are the risks of shopping online?
What are the risks
Yes,
of shopping online? Okay, what do you think are
that
the risks if you shop online?
uh that certainly if you buy a sneaker online, um uh, you perhaps miss some risk of shopping online, such as this item is not suitable for you. Choose the size of this item is not suitable for you. The
Yes.
size that's the color is not real.
Okay.
And number three, and I think the important thing is the quality is that's the quality is the quality don't like the store mentioned before.
Okay. So, of course, in the online, we cannot assure the size. Maybe it's too
Something
big. Maybe it's too
that
small. Okay. So, you have
that,
to,
that
those are risks when you shop online. Okay. That's very important. Okay. So, here, number three. Please read number three.
number three.
Mm.
True the words that it closes in meaning and meaning to the life past. And here is the new magazines with photos and decoration of products for sale and
Mm-hmm.
catalog.
Okay.
Catalog.
Okay.
My
Here
answer
is
is
the new
number six.
magazine with photo. What do you think is that? Magazine with photo and description of the product sale. Answer is letter.
C.
Yeah, catalog. Very good too.
True. The salesman guarantees that the shoe was comfortable. Promise.
Okay, the salesman guaranteed that the
I
shoes were comfortable.
I
Okay, it is
I.
letter A.
Number answer is A. My answer
Okay,
is A.
promise. Okay, promise. Guaranteed. Okay, three.
Three. The cost to email products as 100 I don't $10. The cost to mail products shipping. Mail is mean shipping.
Okay, the cost to mail products added. It was that IT number. Cost to mail products.
Number
Post
B.
mail shipping offer. Okay,
Yes,
shipping.
number B is
Okay, four. Shipping correct. Four.
for online business is important to most retailers.
The online business is
E-commerce.
important to most retailers. It
And
is.
my answer is a C. E-commerce.
Okay. Online business or e-commerce. Very
E-commerce.
good. Five. Five.
High tend to the level of the price our competitors offer. Mm, sell.
Okay. It
Match.
is change to the level of the price our competitor
Match. My
offers.
answer is match.
Okay. Match. Change to
Match.
the level means match. Okay. Very good. Okay. Correct. Correct, Miss Wian. Okay. So we have here this one. So please try. Let us do the speaking. Okay. Please try to read number seven.
With a partner, I alter the rule below beyond the dialogues from taxes and withdraw. Use
Switch. Switch, huh? It's not sweet. Switch. Switch
with
roles. Yeah,
that's with
switch. Okay, please continue.
um I'm a student A and you
A.
are a student B, right? And
Yes, yes.
customer want to order sneaker to purchase to color warranty.
Okay.
And good morning. Have a nice day.
Okay, good morning.
And I would like to look for sneakers. Do you have a sneaker here?
Oh,
And
yeah,
could
we
you
have so
have
many.
that? And could you please introduce some item for me? And
Okay.
I like the blue color. I like blue color and quality is the best spec quality.
Okay. Okay, so we have here many sneakers. You can choose different colors. But since you want
Yes.
the blue one, we can offer you blue one. How much is your budget for that one?
I think that price is not isn't a problem with me. So
Mm-hmm.
you can promote the best the best the best sneaker with the best quality for me.
Okay. So, wow, that's good to hear that the price is not important. So we can actually have here it's $100. We have the best one for you. It is for women and it is used for running. And you can also use these shoes for other activities. It is soft padded, so it is not hard for you to step on because it's really soft and it's really comfortable, okay, for you. So when you try to do jogging with your family or your husband, it's easy for you to use this one. So it is cost like $100. Okay, so you don't need to with guarantee. It is the price is guaranteed and it is very nice. It's comfortable. It is what they call that one? Mm, cozy, and of course it is very easy to use. Very, very comfortable.
That's how about warranties of this item?
Okay, so we will be giving a 6 months warranty. Okay, for these shoes, you can just present the receipt when you buy this one. Please keep it, and then whatever happened, you may go back to our stores and show the receipt in case there is a problem with the shoes.
Just and I choose this to I choose this pair and believe I
Okay,
have to
choose.
pack it. That's believe have to pack it and um how to pay the how to pay how to make the payment.
Okay, so thank you for buying the shoes. Okay, we're gonna pack this up, and then for the payment, that's what you have asked, ma'am. So you can pay through online if you have bank transactions. You can have that, or you can pay in cash in the store.
That I can say yeah, you mean I can pay in cash or you credit card for payment, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, I can I will I will make payments in cash and please send me the access.
Okay, so I can send you the receipt. How much is it all? Okay, it is exclusive with VAT. Okay,
Okay,
so that
from
I
what?
know, no, no, yeah, okay, yeah, okay. So I hope you will gonna satisfied. We're gonna pack the shoes and we're gonna have be ready in 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so very good, Miss Oyan. Okay, sorry first now. Okay, I am talking to the customers who wants to order stickers. Okay, so hi, good morning, ma'am.
Hello, customer, and welcome to our store.
Okay,
And may I
so
have you? May I have you?
y- yes, of course. So I am here today because I heard from a friend that your shoes is very affordable yet very comfortable, and of course, it's quality granted. Okay, so I want to order because we'll be having a fun run next week, and I want to order a running shoes. The color is pink and white. Do you have like that you can offer to me?
That's I received a request and I'm very honored to serve you and for meal wait for some minutes. I urgently to look for and take it to you.
Okay. So do you have that? I am size 5. Do you have size 5 color pink?
That's the sci-fi is suitable here.
Yes. I have
And what
size
color
5.
do you like? That's what
Pink,
color do you like?
pink and white, please.
I can't hear you clearly. Will you repeat it again?
Okay, color pink, please. White and pink.
Color pink, blue, right? Pink
Okay.
is already. Pink is already. Uh, I I also like the most color is pink.
Okay, that's good.
I also have another pink shoe.
Okay, so there's another pink shoes. Can you show it to me? And how much is it?
Mm, that
Because I am
that
on the tight budget now.
okay. Here you are. Here you are the very nice pink shoe, and you can you can you can try to put in the shoe. You can feel it's very comfortable and
Mm.
cozy in winter and um cold in summer and be very relaxed.
Okay, so that one. Okay. If I will ask you, which do you think is the most best seller for you? The best seller. Okay, the first one that you showed to me or the new one that you showed to me?
That's you that is the way to that is the way to help you get the our discount of the item. You can get a member. You can get you can show me the information to get a card,
Oh,
a membership. You will become our store membership. You will get the discount of this item
okay, wow.
for 1500 15%.
Wow, it's not that bad. Very good, at least. Okay.
That's the
So,
answer. You do you bring the ID card?
oh, I will bring ID card. So, okay, so is my order ready? That's size 5, please.
What?
Is my order ready? It is size 5, please.
Those are either rusty, those spinny rusty, and now I will help you to get the discount of this item. Please tell me the ID cards, and I will post the information in our system.
Okay, that's very good. So, where will I pay? Where will I pay? I will gonna pay in cash or bank?
You can pay in cash or credit cards also. Could you believe what do you like pay in cash or in credit?
Okay, I will just pay it in cash. Okay. I have here my 100
Okay,
USD.
if SIM card, I have a finished store. I have a finished store membership, the member card. This is the member card for you, and you get the you get the 15% discount, and you need to pay $90 for this shoe.
Okay. So yeah, thank you. So after that,
That's
I will pay in cash and then I will leave a review. Can I leave a review for your company?
uh, for you for me
For
you
you, yes. For you,
that's
for
for
you.
me,
Please
and
leave a
you can
review.
that's I will give you our receipts.
Okay, receipt. Okay. Okay, okay. So now, can I leave a review? I will leave a review about your company. Review.
What? What? with with you with me.
Yeah.
Because I'm in charge of this I'm in charge now. I'm in charge of this store for selling. So
Okay.
that so you can pay in card for me, and you will give you the receipt of this item for the checking.
Okay. Very good. So this one. Okay, so now please have this. Okay, so we are talking here. Number 4, we read the sentence pairs. Choose where the words best fit in the blank.
Reason right there on the form
Three,
from
three.
hmm. Writers,
Read the sentence.
Write the item
Choose
number. That's write the item number on the
form.
form and complete this form to place a mail order.
Okay, the answer is mail order. Write the blank on the form. Write the item number on the form and complete this form to place the mail order. Okay, item
Mail order.
number, mail order. Number 2.
Wholesale wholesale price are usually very low, and Grand Co is one of the country biggest retailers.
Okay,
Wholesale price are
wholesale
usually very slow, and Grand Co is one of the country biggest
countries
retailers.
biggest. Correct. Okay. Wholesale prices are usually very low. Grandco, it's a company, is one of the country's biggest retailers. Okay, 3. Three.
Hmm. Call this number to play a phone order and locate a direct sale location nearby.
Okay, call this number to place
Phone order
phone order and locate
located a direct sales location nearby.
okay, call this number to place a phone order and locate direct sales locations nearby. Okay, very good. So what we are using here are the different terms and pairs of words to complete. We are talking today, Miss Huyen, about selling products. So in your company, how did you sell? How did you convince your customer that they were going to buy? Do you need to convince?
I think when I sell one item in our company, the first one you need to learn more about the specific own information of this item in advance.
Okay, so you have to learn about the item. Correct. What else?
That's and the company and learn about the company policies.
Policy, company policy about
That's sale
return and
that's sale
exchange.
policy.
What policy? What policy?
Policy in sale such as price, quality,
Okay.
quality and
Yeah,
warranty period.
warranty.
That's warranty periods.
Okay,
How long
warranty
the
period,
warranty?
price, what else? How about return and exchange policy? Return and exchange policy, it's very important.
That you can change this item, or you can return this item or not after buying.
Okay, after buying. Okay, so you can return and exchange. Okay, but
Mm.
what they will gonna show when you return or the exchange product? What they will gonna show?
Shop products in showroom, right?
Okay, you will gonna show the product. Aside from product, you will gonna show the receipt. It's very important. Receipt.
That receipt is
Receipt.
also very important. It is
Correct.
um that
It's very important, the
is
receipt.
convenient. Convenient.
Okay. Okay, yes.
That
It's very important
help
to
you to that
have
help
the
you to make
receipt.
a warranty.
Okay. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's very good. So you have receipt is very important. Okay. So Miss Wian, our topic ended up here. When will we be having our topic next week? So what time are you free? Thursday again? Are you free on Thursday?
Hello,
Okay.
you can
Yes.
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. I will see you again when the next topic we will gonna have product problems. If you
That's
sell
I
product,
think
you will gonna have problem. Okay.
I will say I will we will have a class with the content products problem the next week, and I will inform you let's how when when do you have the next class.
Yeah, it's up to you. Okay,
That
you can
and now
have
I
night Tuesday, Wednesday night. It's okay for me. No problem.
Thursday
Thursday,
Thursday
okay.
Thursday evening is suitable for me.
Okay, yeah.
The normal schedule is a Thursday evening is suitable for me. If they have a if have some trends for our schedule, I will inform you in advance.
Okay, about the schedule. Okay, so please
That
inform in advance. Okay? Thursday, 8 p.m. again. Miss Oyen, Thursday, 8 p.m.
Okay, and today, I think today I need to finish our class today here because I need to go to hospital with get vaccine.
Okay. Yes,
Okay,
thank you so much, Miss Uyen. Enjoy
okay,
and
thank
be
you so much,
safe. Be safe.
and thank you so much for spending time for me.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
okay. No
thank
problem. I
you.
will see you on Thursday. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Yes, okay.
Bye.